I'll be showing you guys how I made these tassel shorts to pair with my top from her Modesty. So I really want me some tassel shorts, but all of them are cut like really high, and I ain't trying to have all my stuff out. So I'm gonna make me some out of these pants because I kind of hate how they fall and then they're baggy like that. I just don't like the way they fit, but I love the way they fit everywhere else. It's just the bottom I can't get with. So I'm gonna cut these to my liking. So I put them on in the mirror to see where I need to cut them to. I'm thinking I'm gonna cut them about here and then do my tassels about there. We'll see.
So just checking to see where I want to fall. And I think I want about here. Pull out from the skin. Just gonna put a little sleep in it.
I'm gonna just do it on one side. I'm gonna lay them down to put them together so they're not uneven. There is definitely a method to the madness. I'm sure you could just have measured this and put like a little mark and then use measuring tape or something like that to cut along the line up into your mark. I just felt like this was easier to just put them on and cut them where I wanted to. Okay. So now that we have our guide here, we're just gonna go and cut the rest of our slits in the shorts. Clearly my first little one is crooked, so it may have been better to do the measuring tape technique instead, but they don't have to be uniform, they don't have to be perfect, so it's okay. You want to be sure to cut along that, it's not a seam, but where the pants fall in the middle of your leg, you want to cut through those on all sides, the back and the front. And then I'm just going in and I'm cutting those slits the same size, so I'm just cutting all the pieces together. It's important to pay attention to where you're cutting along these seams because you don't want to cut just in an awkward position. So I'm making sure the seam falls in the middle of my strips. And like I said, they're not perfect. Some are bigger, some are smaller, but it really doesn't matter. And you see how that seam underneath is not falling directly with that top seam, so I'm being careful on where I'm cutting this slit at. After you get all your slits cut in it, then you want to fray it. It'll be better to do this just by throwing them in the washer and then drying them. it'll come out better. It'll look more worn, but doing it by hand will give it a good look too. But after that wash and dry, they'll be real nice. So jeans are made by this blue thread being woven into the white thread. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling out the blue thread. So once the blue is pulled out, it just leaves behind that white piece, and it just gives it that worn, cool look, which I love. I love ripped jeans. Sometimes you will get a snag to where you can't finish pulling out that blue thread. So what I'm doing is taking the scissors and I'm cutting off those pieces that get stuck. Okay, one leg is done. Just gotta finish the next one. And this is the finished product. Love these shorts. And I copped this Not Too Wild top from shophermodesty.com. I am a brand ambassador for this company. They are all about keeping it modest, but also being fashionable. I absolutely love everything in their store. I'll be sure to leave all their links below so you can go and check them out. I will also leave my discount code so you can go and get you something. Thanks for watching.